Okay, what is meant by ecosystem? Aditya, what is meant by ecosystem? What is meant by ecosystem?
Ecosystem means it is a chain, ma'am. Means yeah, it will. It
Both
is in
the
nature, ma'am.
abiotic and
Biotic, ma'am.
biotic organisms are live together. Okay, in a particular area we can call as the ecosystem. Okay, na? Good, ma. Next, ma'am, next చూపిండి అట్లా పిల్లల్ని చూపిండి. So Tejdeep, who given the term ecosystem?
A.G. Tansley, ma'am.
A.G. Tansley.
Tansley.
Okay, na? Okay, ma. Good. So who is the father of ecosystem? Nikhil. Nikhil. Who is the father of ecosystem? Who is the father of ecosystem? AP Odam. Okay, ma. So next, biocoinosis. The term was given by Abbas.
Madam, Carl Mobius.
What?
Carl
Mobius. Mobius. Okay, now. Okay, ma. Good. Okay. So next we will see. Today we will see the types of ecosystems. Okay. Types of ecosystem. Here there is a two types. That is natural ecosystem. Natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. See, natural ecosystem includes forest and then grassland and then trees and deserts. So these and all, it will be come under the natural ecosystem. Then artificial ecosystem. See here, this natural ecosystem, again, it will be classified into two types. That is terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. So in this aquatic examples, we will take, there is again two types. That is lentic ecosystem and lotic ecosystem. So lentic ecosystem includes stagnant water, lake, ponds, and swamp. So in this includes running water, river. See here, types of ecosystem. There is a two types, that is the natural ecosystem and the artificial ecosystem. Okay, now, so natural ecosystem means naturally it will be made. So here there is a two types. Natural ecosystems are two types. That is the terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem, it will be includes forest, grassland, trees, and deserts. So this and all, it will be come under the terrestrial ecosystem. Then aquatic ecosystem, again, it is two types. That is lentic ecosystem and lotic ecosystem. So in the lentic ecosystem, it will be include the stagnant water. Stagnant water means okay chota nilva untundi kada water. So that is nothing but the stagnant water. Okay na. So here it will be includes here examples we will take lakes, ponds, and swamp. So this and all, it will be come under the lentic ecosystem. And then lotic ecosystem, it will be includes running water. So examples, we will take the rivers. Okay. So this and all, it will be come under natural ecosystem. Then artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem means man-made ecosystems. So what are the artificial ecosystems? Croplands, okay, aquarium and all man-made only, no? Aquarium, cropland, and gardens also, it is a artificial ecosystems only. Okay, so artificial ecosystems includes examples. Man-made ecosystems. Here examples, here we can take grassland, croplands, and then gardens, and then aquarium. So next, take down ma. See, types of ecosystems. There is a two types: natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystems. Natural ecosystems, again two types. That is the terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems. Terrestrial, it will be includes the forest, grassland, and deserts, etc. So your aquatic ecosystems, again two types. That is the lentic ecosystem and lotic ecosystems. Lentic ecosystem, it will be includes the stagnant water like a lakes, ponds, and swamps. Swamps ante burda untundi, burda water ma. Okay, next one is lotic ecosystem, is nothing but the running water. Examples, here we will take the rivers. And then artificial ecosystem means the man-made ecosystems. So here croplands and gardens also man-made only, and then aquariums. Aquarium also man-made only. So take down, next we will see the types of ecosystems on the basis of sizes. Okay. Space is not sufficient. Take down. Okay. So here mega ecosystem, oceans and sea. So second one is macro ecosystem. It will be includes forest, Switch on the videos, ma. Children, switch on the video. Pratisari. Every time we have to say, switch on the videos, switch on the videos. We have to beg. Sneha Reddy. So here you can see types of ecosystem on the basis of the size. Okay, so here mega ecosystem, mega means large. Okay, mega ecosystem here includes the oceans and the sea. So next one is macro ecosystem. It will be includes the forest, and then micro ecosystem, it will be includes the ponds, and then nano ecosystem, it will be includes the water. Nano means very minute, right? So next to components of ecosystem. So here there is a two types of components. Two types of components, that is abiotic components and abiotic components and biotic components. So first we will see abiotic components. Okay. So abiotic components means in the name itself is there. Abiotic components. Abiotic components, in this abiotic components, it will be includes the non-living things. Okay. Includes non-living substances and factors. And factors. So it is climatic factors, that is air, water, light, temperature, etc. So next one is, next point, edaphic factors like soil, soil composition, and then third point is topographic factors like mountains, and slopes. Okay. See, abiotic components means, so your abiotic means what? There is no life. Okay. So it will be includes non-living substances and factors. So what are the factors means? Climatic factors. So this climatic factors that includes the air, water, and light, temperature, etc. And then edaphic factors. Edaphic factors are like a soil components. Inside the soil, what it is presents? Minerals, nutrients, and then nitrogenous materials and all. No. So that it will be come under the edaphic factors. So and one next is topographic factors. So this topographic factors, it will be like a mountains and slopes. So these and all, it will be come under the abiotic components. So next we will see biotic components. So take down, ma.
Really like
Biotic components. Biotic means it is which components it is having a life. These are includes living organisms, like plants, animals, and microorganisms. So here the plants, it will be come under producers, right? Producers, and animals are consumers, and microorganisms are saprophytes, and decomposers also, right? Okay. So next one is biotic components. Biotic components, it will be includes the all living organisms like plants. Plants, it can produces its own food, right? So that's why we given the term producers. And then, so animals can consume. It will be take food from others. So we given the term consumers. And then microorganisms. Microorganisms, it will be helpful for the decomposition of dead matter and all. Okay, we will discuss one by one. Okay, so these are the biotic components. So first we will discuss about the producers. So here the producers are green plants, green photosynthetic plants, and then these green plants termed as green plants are termed as autotrophs, and then and also called as transducers. Transducers means it will be convert the radiant energy into chemical energy. Okay, see, biotic components means it will be includes the living organisms like a plants. Plants can synthesize its own food, so that's why we given the term producers. And then animals, they can depending on the food for others, so these are the consumers. And then microorganisms, it will be helpful for the decomposition of the dead matters. Okay, so that's why we given the term decomposers, microorganisms. So first we will study about the producers. Producers are green photosynthetic plants. Green photosynthetic plants means photosynthesis means what? With the help of sunlight and with the help of chloroplast, water and all, it will be prepares its own food materials. So that's why we're given the term autotrophs. Okay, plants are the autotrophs. Why? Because means it can prepare its own food materials. They cannot depending on others. So next one is, and we can also call as a transducers. So transducers means, so which organisms, which organisms it will be converts the radiant energy. So this radiant energy we can get from the sunlight. So it will be converted into chemical energy. So that's why plants we can also call as a transducers. Okay. So next we will see consumers. Consumers. Consumers means it can consume the food from others. Are animals that are not capable to prepare food for its own. So these are the heterotrophs. Heterotrophs. And then there are phagotrophs. Phagotrophs. Ingest the solid food. Solid food. So again, take down one continuation is there. See, consumers. So consumers are animals. It will be including the animals. So they cannot prepare their its own food materials. They can depending for others for food. And then, so that's why they given the term heterotrophs. And then these are the phagotrophs. Phagotrophs means they can ingest the food, solid food particles. Okay, that's why you can given the term phagotrophs. Okay. So again, here there is a two types. Take down, I will give you later.